natin dito yung secret Hindi na vlog nung mga gala. Bro Kevin na nung secret. Maraming secret dito pero hindi nyo lang alam. Palagi ako nalalaglag sa secret na to guys. Hindi nyo lang alam na isa sa secret na to. Nung papakita ko sa inyong secret. Bro, diba? Kasama natin si Sander pero di sa Bro Kevin. Sa bahay. Nag-play ako sila gabi.
Liam, is there anything you want to say?
End of the day, I have to put myself first, and I don't feel regret
Ano ba yan?
anything that's transpired because I'm happy that I have Johnny with me. At this point, like that's all I can say.
So y'all was in a hideaway or?
Diba guys, kita nyo yan. Dito tayo ngayon. Tapos, diba? Tapos, ano natin dito ng bed.
Johnny,
Tapos
I want to
kasi
say
dito tayo.
congratulations. You are in a couple with Leah now. I am happy that I got to meet somebody that I connected with on an emotional level. Being able
Oh, di ba? Kapunta tayo sa secret, guys. Hindi na ako nainis. 30 minutes. Joke lang. Babalik tayo nung ano dito, nung Bro Kevin dito. Pero may free na ako ng ganito eh. Kaya hindi ko na kailangan niya na. Dahil may Robux na ako. Bro. Totoo naman. Wait lang, bakit tayo nakapasok dito? Parang kasama ko lang si Sander. Hindi ako nakapasok dito. Nope.
At this point, like that's all I can say.
so y'all
Parang kasama ko lang si Sander. Nakapasok na sa loob na to. Pero hindi lang. O diba? Tignan nyo. Di kami nakapasok ni Sander dito. Ayoko na nung game na to. Ayoko na
I
nung
want to say congratulations.
ayoko na nung secret na yun.
You are in a
Diba?
couple with Leah now.
Sasamahin natin si Kuya. Sabihin ko.
Somebody that I connected with on
Hi.
an emotional level. Being able to connect with somebody like that and hear
I say hi.
really nice.
Wait lang. Hanap ako na pangat
You
avatar.
have decided to
May
couple
mga
up
hindi
with
marunong
Johnny.
na avatar.
Let's find out what Cassie has decided to do.
Ito si Thanos tong nakatira dito. Dito tayo. Okay. Today, nakapunta tayo sa secret kanina. Sasama ng... Sander, tara. Ano? Napuntahan ko na yung secret na yon. Ayaw ko sa secret kasi... Ayaw ko talaga eh. Kasi nahihirapan na ako doon. Eh, bakit nga ako nakapunta eh? May free na, na Robux. Para naman magka-Robux ka sa Roblox. Para magka-Robux ka sa Roblox.
Welcome back to the
Ay,
villa,
nako,
Cassie.
ayaw ko na.
Welcome, Mattia. You
Patay.
Cassie?
Nagpapamatay lang ako.
The brunette, I know. He fucked her, so.
Oh, tignan nyo yan.
That's
Di yan totoo.
disgusting. I thought
Di
I
yan
knew you,
talaga yung
but
secret.
I don't know you.
Nag-aarte
so
lang
do
ako,
you.
mga guys.
And I'm happy I'm with a mature guy who's respectful, so do what you gotta do. Do what you gotta do.
Di mo to kaya. Uy.
How was Casa Amor for
Teka
you?
lang. Try ko
I
mag-bicycle
remember
pero...
going in and I was telling the girls how like I already wanted to go back to the villa,
Di ba? Tignan nyo.
but then I met Mattia.
Nakalutang bicycle ko.
He's, like I said, mature.
Kasi
and
naglalakad
wise.
ako. Ayun ang secret.
To have
Joke
more
lang.
time with him, and
Alam
see
ko
if that
naman
connection
kaya niyo
could be
yan, no?
stronger than what I
Sander. 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 Naka-fly yung, yung bike, naka-fly. Ate, tingnan mo. 100%
this decision now.
people don't get this shot. Shark.
Did the video have any
Nakuha ko!
impact on your decision?
Nakuha ko din yan, pero inagaw ng iba eh.
It couldn't be him. We told each other before that we were falling for each other, so I was like, he wouldn't do that to me. So
Sakay ako.
to know now that like he pretty much said fuck you to your face, he slept with somebody you just met, is crazy. But it shows his true colors. So yeah.
Ano na ako, kanina, so...
Leah,
Maraming
Is there anything you wanna
napapun
say?
stuff kasi
Cassie did not deserve that. Cassie's an amazing girl. What I did was selfish, and
okay, look at him.
Ako
I just wish I could have never put in that
ako
situation.
teacher.
I mean, he got voted for
Teacher
fake,
ako.
so you're fake.
Mami ako na gagawin yung secret, guys.
You told me so much. You even told me that you would leave if I left. So, what the fuck is this? Like, for real, what is this? Like, I don't know you. I thought I knew you. I don't
One
know you. Like, I can't even look at you.
Plus 1
It's disgusting.
equals... Ba! Sa akin! Wata! At yun umalis yung student.
Well,
Dahil matagal ako. Ayun, okay.
as both of you have decided to recouple,
Tapos na
continue your
talaga
journey
yung pasukan. Sabi ko lang 1 plus 1 equals.
Cassie.
Pero ayan nyo na. Bukas. Ah, dami pala nag-school dito. Baka naghihintay sila sa akin tapos umuwi na. Okay guys.
Lande! Tatanggal ka agad dyan. Lagot ka sa mga babae dyan.
Marco. You've been sweating and waiting.
Yeah, I know. You don't have to call me out about it.
Marco, before Casa Amor, you were coupled up with Hannah. How have the last few days been without her?
The last few days have got longer and longer without her. My mind.
Tignan nyo guys. Sander, tignan mo yung scooter.
I said on Hannah, you know,
Nakaganto.
ever since I really met her.
Nakaganyan.
Do
Tignan
you
mo yung
think that your
scooter.
Hannah has stayed loyal to you?
Bakit? Tignan mo.
Never doubt it.
Tignan mo yung scooter.
Well, Marco,
Sander,
the choice is yours.
tignan mo yung
Would you
scooter.
like to stick with Hannah, or would you like to couple up?
Tapos tignan mo yung bike, Sander. Tignan mo yung bike. Bakit kasi nun? Tapos, ito pa. May papakita ko sa'yo. Tignan mo yung skateboard.
With love, what it is to be a man.
Paano ganyan? Diba? Ipipindot mo to, tapos pindot mo to. Tapos, ito pa. Tingnan mo mag-walk.
You lovely ladies.
Tapos,
beautiful,
ito pa.
But
Parang scooter to ah. Parang scooter to ah. Tapos ito. Ba't nakalutang? I'm a unicorn. I'm a unicorn.
You have decided
Tapos nakalutang din ako. Ano yun?
Hannah walks in with one of the new boys from Casa Amor, you will be single. But if she returns on her own, she is all yours.
Mas maganda pa avatar ko na gagawin guys.
Here we go.
Diba? Pwede din ako mag-change. Ay, hindi pa ako nagpapakilala. Wait lang ah.